How to download and install Binance app on iPhone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install the Binance app on your iPhone. Binance is one of the world's largest and most popular cryptocurrency exchanges. It allows you to trade digital assets like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many others. With the Binance mobile app, you can trade, track your portfolio, and access a range of other features directly from your iPhone. Let's show you how to get it on your device. First, grab your iPhone and go to the App Store. You can find the App Store by tapping on the blue icon with the letter A on your home screen. Once you're in the App Store, tap on the Search tab at the bottom of the screen, then type in Binance. Now, after searching Binance, uh, you can simply find the app. Simply tap on Get over here. Now, if you've downloaded apps before, you can simply see a cloud icon with an arrow. Just tap that begin, and that's it. That's how you simply download a Binance app on your phone.